pandemic, hand washing with soap has assumed a great importance that it never has before. We're able to protect ourselves, our communities, and our families from this particular virus by washing our hands with soap and water at all the critical times that we need to. Now, this is important for us in our homes as well as in healthcare centers and places of work. For all of us to engage in hand washing practices, we need access to soap, but we also need access to water. Now, India is also a country that faces several constraints with regard to water availability, and in summer months there's acute water shortage that's faced by many communities across the country. For us to really protect ourselves from this virus spreading, we need to make sure that communities have access to soap and they also have access to sufficient water. Families, urban and in rural areas, often prioritize their water needs. They use water for cooking, washing, attending to their cattle and other livestock. And therefore, water for hand washing may not receive the priority that it needs to in a pandemic situation. And therefore, we really need to figure out ways by which we can make water more easily accessible and more easily usable by families and communities. We request you to support WaterAid's campaign, No Drop Wasted, to ensure that the most vulnerable communities across the country living in urban and rural areas get access to water so that they may protect themselves from two critical crises that they face: the COVID-19 pandemic as well as acute water scarcity. So join us in ensuring that every family and every community in this country has access to safe and clean water.